Today I'm sharing my winter capsule wardrobe for 2025, and of course I'm keeping it very casual, comfy, very colourful. You know, all the three C's when it comes to dressing. Now for me, I'm no longer in the corporate world. I work from home. I'm in social media content creation. So I prioritize comfort and casual. Also, I like to have more than one types of capsule wardrobes because I feel like that makes my life so much easier. So for example, if I'm going out on date night, if I'm going out to brunch, just a little bit dressier, I like to have like a several capsule wardrobe for that, because I think the whole point of having a capsule wardrobe is just to make your life easier, right? We're gonna start off with the basics, right? Like, look at this. I have literally been collecting colorful turtlenecks. Oh, doesn't this make you like happy and just filled with like dopamine? Oh, I love them. I love them so much. Okay, so if you're new here again, I've been colorizing my wardrobe for the last 2 years, I'll say. I've been transitioning from the beige and beige or like the neutral pieces more into color. It's been a slow transition, I think. But especially during winter, I just don't want to be looking like gray and black. I just don't want it. I want to be vibrant and fun, or just like warm and inviting, you know. And this is what these colors like represent to me. Right. This green one, I literally just typed into Google lime green turtleneck and this came up. Bought it, can't remember the company's from. Uniqlo, I love Uniqlo basics. This red one, they do some really nice turtlenecks too. And this pink one I've been wearing a lot lately. You would have seen this in my styling videos. I've featured this a few times in several different videos. I'll link them here, or I insert some footage here so you can see as well. I love pink. It's my favorite color. It does the job. You'll see me like rocking pink on the streets, like head to toe. Probably until I'm 60, and I'm not bad about it, so don't judge me. Plus my whole office is like full on pink, but suffice to say, girl, I just love pink. Those are the basic pieces for me when it comes to building a capsule wardrobe. So another essential that I love, which is obviously a neutral is long sleeve tops. I have several different colors, but this cream one I wear the most. This one's from H&M, the one I have on right now. It's just a simple ribbed long sleeve top. Does the job. It pairs really nice with several different things. So it's definitely like a piece that you use to layer. Moving on to the other basic, which is going to be jumpers. So let's take out the jumpers because I have a few, and I like to have these as well in several different colors. These has been like I've been adding to my wardrobe over the years. So this one's from Marks and Spencer's. I love to buy green because I feel like it matches my just looks good on me. It's like I think 50% viscose and polyester, so it's not like the best quality, but you can't tell. I've washed it several times in a washing machine. The color still stayed intact and it hasn't like lost the way it fits. So yeah, Marks and Spencer's does some really good basics too. Uniqlo, really good basics. I love their jumpers. I definitely want to get this one in cashmere. I'll probably add that to my list for next year because I've been on a low buy this year. Again, Uniqlo again. I love them for basics. So girl, we're just going to be saying Uniqlo a lot. This one is a simple burnt orange top. Jumper. Very casual, very sporty, and I love the fact that I have a similar hat in color that I wear all the time. You'll see that paired with my brown skirt again from Uniqlo, so full on Uniqlo there. You'll see it in the cutaway, but this I've paired so many different ways, and it's just an easygoing jumper, keeps you warm. I think this is lamb's wool, so if we're talking about quality, if you haven't got the cashmeres and stuff, that you can always get that one because it's a lot more affordable. This is new in, love it. This is from the Rita Ora collections from Primark, and they have this in like a cardigan style and like different mitts, scarf. They have this in various styles, but I got this just to kind of, step my feet in. Rita Ora collection never really, I've tried on a few of her collections, but I can never find one that fits me. But her latest collection for winter, I like the ones right now in store. I love the colors on here. I love like the lime green and the beige. So it's like, it's not too vibrant, I don't think. I feel personally that it's a lot more subdued. What do you think? Or is that just in my head? Let's just talk about Co-ordsets for a moment because I want to show you this jumper since we're on the topic of jumpers. But if you are building a capsule wardrobe or just a wardrobe in general, get you a Co-ordset, girl, okay? They're so handy. They are easy to like they're very versatile, so easy to mix and match with other pieces in your wardrobe. You don't have to think about what to wear, what to pair them with, and you just look put together without even trying. So have I sold you? This one's from River Island. They're both from River Island, and it's simple jumper. I've mixed and matched several times. Electric blue seemed to be a thing for me, clearly. If you made it this far in the video and you wanted to build a capsule wardrobe and you don't know how, I have a free guide that tells you how to build a capsule wardrobe from scratch. You can download it in the description box. I also give you lots of outfit inspiration for my fall and autumn capsule, which I didn't even post online, but I have it there all digital for you. Check it out. I'm sure you're gonna find it very, very helpful as a resource to go to. So before we get back into anything else, let's talk about cardigans and like jackets and stuff, since we're on like basics. So this cardigan that I have right now is also from Primark. I think I picked up 3 pieces the other day and I love them so much. So they're definitely gonna be in my winter capsule wardrobe. Again, electric blue seems to be a trend because it's finding me. I loved it so much that I think I even have like the trainers as well, guys. So I'm so swept up into this trend. It got me. It definitely got me. So anyway, this is a nice crop cardigan. It's very fluffy and cozy. It's just, oh, it's so warm. And I love it. I'm doing the bottom and the top thing. I see the girl is doing it, so I was like, let me try it and see how it is for styling. But yeah, I love it. I feel like this will go nicely with just like even like a plain denim jeans. You can see I'm just wearing like a grey bottoms, and yeah, it's simple, you know, but it's still vibrant and fun, you know, at the same time. I also have a nice chunky cardigan. This one is from Hiccup. They did gift that to me. It's getting old now, but I love it. Oh, you see it in the cutaway. It has the strawberries on it. It's very neutral. It pairs nicely to so many different things. This is a cardigan that you can actually have in the office where you just chuck on your chair, or if you're working from home and it's really cold, you just snuggle up. It's just nice to have a chunky cardigan just to be there, honestly. And then the last one that's also new in my closet. This was actually sent to me. I haven't even filmed the video yet, but I thought this definitely has to be my capsule wardrobe. It's a nice crop jacket. This one's from Style We, and these are really, really popular. Really popular. They're everywhere. Every single shop has them. They're big on trend. I don't own one. I'm just like, wow. So I chose this green one and I love it. It gives me smart casual, you know, you can wear this to the office if you're doing like the smart casual thing, or you can wear this smart too, you know, like an actual like nice top underneath and stuff. So that's it for like the layering pieces in cardigans. Still continue with layering pieces. I have this waistcoat right here, which I love. I wear it all the time. It's featured in practically all my videos. It's thrifted. This I got in Italy. Best €3 ever, honestly. I have this denim shirt that I got from H&M. This is from the men's section, and let's be honest, sometimes the men's section just be doing it better than the women's section. This is definitely neutral. I wear this all year round, literally. There's not much to say. I wear it with everything and anything. I also have like a corduroy. This is like a midnight blue, again from Uniqlo. Okay, Uniqlo seems to be one of the places I shop a lot. But I've had this for years and the quality has remained intact. So it's like a nice dark navy midnight blue. So it does match well with a lot of different colors, you know, with blue, greens, you know. Another basic to me is going to be a knitted dress. Now, I don't have the vibrant colors yet, girl, on the wish list, but I have this brown one that I got from New Look years ago. I have it in black, and I think I did several videos. You can check those out here, how I style them. Check the videos out, girl, for more styling as well. Again, brown is a really nice neutral. Like, if you don't want to do black, brown is your friend because it will pair so effortlessly with all these colors that I have here. So this is a nice neutral high neck midi dress that I can put some boots on, put some tights underneath if I want to, and bam. So yeah, this is just a really nice basically. Those are all the tops that I think I'm showing. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to go to the bottoms. The first one I have is the one I'm wearing right now. This is also from Primark. This is one of the 3 things that I picked up. I love cargo jeans now. I was late to the trend. I jumped on it. I'm fully invested now, fully. This is like a nice grey acid wash type, which I don't have. It's definitely wider fit, so it flares out more. It just gives me more interest. It's a lot more modern and up to date. And I love the look where you have like, you can see your waist and you can just flares out. It gives a nice silhouette. So I don't know, I'm just bored of like denim jeans, like the regular denim jeans. I'm kind of just bored of the plain ones. I want something with a little bit more, something going on. So I feel like this had something going on. These pair of wide-leg joggers with the stripe down the side, I have a whole video dedicated to them, how to style these in 10 ways. The card is going to link here, and I'll link all the videos I mentioned in the description box. A really casual athleisure style outfit, but obviously you can really wear these a lot and it's just super comfy and casual. So those are essential for me. Next essential is going to be this brown skirt right here that I love. Oh my god. So this is in my year-round capsule wardrobe. It's no winter, autumn. It's just year-round. Uniqlo lined, and it's brown, so it just goes with everything, every color, like all the colors, it goes really here. Now the next one is a pair of cargo jeans from River Island. I do like River Island jeans. They just fit me better. I'm 5'7". I'm a size 12 to 14, so mid-size. These are cuffed at the bottom, and again, I'm so bored of plain up and down jeans, so this gives me something to play with. It's still, yeah, comfy. It's got elastic waist at the back, and I wear it all the time. Because especially if I'm sitting down at the desk all day, I don't want any jeans that's going to restrict me, especially cutting to your stomach. No. So the fact that it's got like these little elastic waists at the back, yeah. These are the details that I look for. Moving on to outerwear, this is where I have the most gaps in my wardrobe. I generally don't have a lot of colourful outerwear, which is something I've realised when I was doing my decluttering and organising. So on the list, I have quite a few things to get, and I'm really excited about getting some really colourful outerwear. So for the meantime, I have a lot of neutral ones. So I'll show you the neutral ones for now. So this is a simple leather jacket. I probably won't even be wearing it a lot, but it's still autumn-ish. And it's quite boxy fit, I think. Yeah, it's a nice boxy, oversized fit. So from Primark, it doesn't have as much embellishments and details. It's just why I like it. It's not like a true black. It's like an off black, kind of more like a dark, deep browny black. I can wear like my thicker knitwear with it, like my thick jumpers, and I can layer up a lot. So I can definitely get away with keeping warm just by layering and wearing this. And plus it's cropped. I don't always want a really long jacket. So for those days that, I may be in the car or it's not as cold, then I can wear this. The next one is a long parka, because I feel like we definitely all need one. I think I stole this from my mom, so I definitely need to get my own. But I've literally been wearing this since last year. So I've literally stolen it from her. This is like a nice burgundy one, or like a nice aubergine, I should say, color parka, long maxi. It's really warm, really big hoodie. And yeah, I like the color because it goes really nicely with pink. Yeah. So yeah, it keeps me warm, it's maxi, and it really does the job. I think these are definitely an essential for your wardrobe, especially when it's windy and freezing. Now, the next outerwear piece is one I love. Still neutral, they're all pretty much neutral, I think. But this one here, I thrifted in Paris and I absolutely love it. The cutting style is just so unique to me, because I was like, oh my gosh, is it too big? But it's not, it's just the style of it. Animal print is just never out of style, comes back year round. So I feel like this was a really good buy, and again, because it fits oversized, I can layer up a lot of things underneath, which I normally do, like my thick jumpers, all these things. And yeah, I just love it. I absolutely love it. I feel like it looks beautiful. Red and animal print goes really nicely as well. And I even find like animal print and green pairs really, really nicely together. So I guess it's a nice neutral to offset all my bright jumpers. Yeah, so moving on to footwear. Colourful trainers has been big on trend for the last, I think, year and a bit, or it could even be longer. So a simple pink one from Sainsbury's, and I have this Puma one which you've seen a few times, just to kind of match what I'm wearing. And I also have a white one. It's downstairs somewhere, but I wear it all the time as well. All right, so as for boots, I have these just really plain ones. These are my most worn boots because they're so comfy. They're neutral, so they go with a lot of different things. I love wearing these. They are just my tractors, especially when it rains, it snows, it's just horrible outside. These are the one. I also have these burgundy ones that I thrifted. I love these. These are more, yeah, nice deep burgundy aubergine color. Love them. The lace up does the job. And they're really comfortable as well to walk in. So I love wearing these, and they go really nicely with this blue, I think. Next ones are these chunky boots that I feature all the time in all my capsules because they just stand the test. Honestly, they're actually really inexpensive. I think I paid like £20 for these from New Look, and I've worn them to several different countries, walked so many different places, and they've still held up. They do the job. They're stylish, they're comfy, and they're chunky. I think I was trying to rhyme there. I did a terrible job. But I had the burgundy ones, but they're just not as comfortable as these. So I always go back to these ones until I can find me like a nice browny burgundy ones that's just as comfortable. That's where these win. They win with the comfort. So those are all the things I have. Obviously, I have a lot of accessories. You know, you can see the scarves, the yellow scarf, the red scarf. I even have a whole bunch of different hats. Let me show you. I know I have a bunch of different hats that's really bright and colorful that I like to just wear on rotation as well because they just add like a nice pop, especially on the days if I'm wearing like a very neutral or I'm just tramping it out. Yeah, these are a great accessory. I have colorful bags as well, but we're not going to get into that because the accessories are a big part. But you'll see them in the styling. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget you can check out my free capsule wardrobe guide that tells you how to create a capsule wardrobe from scratch. It gives you outfit ideas and it's free, so you can check the description box as usual. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in this video right here. Bye.